Honda Accord 2011, replacing the struts. So all you have to do is take this 10 right here. Then once this bracket comes out, unplug it from here, and then take this bolt right here on the bottom, the fork right here. Take this out. This one too, this bolt right here, and this bolt right here. I'm gonna take it out. I cannot do it because I'm recording with one hand, so it's out. Once you're done here, go here on the top, and you see the main 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3 14s, and these kind of stickers. Don't get scared because the aftermarket strut comes different, and so just remove this kind of tape sticker on the top, and you have like 1, 2, 3 more holes to line up the new one, which is this one right here. You see right here, has 6 bolts. So the 3 main ones are right here, and these 3 little ones, 1, 2, 3, those are the ones that they were covered with the tape. So I'm just gonna go ahead, remove the bolt down there on the bottom, and remove the strut out. Once you hear, just wiggle. You see the bolt, you see the fork right here on the bottom. It's out, so you have more play, and just wiggle this thing out like around. You see, it's almost out. Okay, so the other one is out. You can see the other one right there. This is the new one. Like I said, it has too many bolts and nuts, but right here on the top you can see, once you expose the tape on the top, then you can see there's 6 holes for the struts. There's only 3 of the old one. This is the aftermarket. Make sure you're putting the I'm working right now on the driver side, so which is front left, and the other will be FR, which is front right. Okay, so in order to take this out, just kind of like go like that, this way, and just kind of like twist it around, and then it comes out pretty easily. So that's the same way it's gonna go in. Okay, before putting anything on your car, make sure you match them both, they look the same. Okay, once you line up everything here, you see right here, then just put this into the fork right here, and then just put everything back in reverse. So right here, you see, I just put one, just maybe like a few threads, so you have a play, you have a lot of play. I'm not gonna put this till I put everything here on the bottom together. So then the last thing I'm gonna tie it up is the one on the top. Okay, once you put it back, just make sure you strut. I mean, you see this little bump right there. It has to line up right here on the back. I don't know if you can see right there. There's a little group right there with this fork right here. It has to line up right there on the back. So I'm about to put it in, and the easiest way is to slide this down. Just spray a little bit brake fluid here, so then this thing can go down easily. Don't put any grease or anything oily there. Okay, once you're here, put your bolt right here, right there, and then use a screwdriver right here on this side to line it up, and then go ahead and put then after that put this one right here, this bolt right here, and then after that just line up your ABS line sensor, I mean, right here with a 10. Just, and then just plug this in right here, and then don't forget to plug your ABS sensor plug right there, and then the final step would be this one right here, all the 5. At this point I'm done putting the left driver side strut, so just double make sure, check out your work twice, so then you can make sure everything is in place and tight. So this is already tight. This one here on the bottom, right here on the back, this one right here, this right here too. Plug it in here as well as here, and the little groove that it was in the back is all lined up too, so then you know this strut line up with this bracket right here, the fork right here on the bottom, so they line up nicely all the way to the bottom. It has a stopper there, and from here just go right here, and then this is how it looks like. Tie everything and it should be done. Thanks for watching, and also I'm just gonna go ahead and replace also the soy bars right here, soy leaking bars, so it won't take me that long. Just take this out of here, go right here, and right here on the bottom, right here on the back, I mean, that should be done on the left side. So I'm about to replace the soy bar link. See right here, I took the bolt already here, and right here on the back, this one was just like spinning around, so I had to put an Allen wrench and my 14mm. So that's how it comes out. Sometimes if you don't have an Allen wrench, you can just hold it with some pliers right here, but it's kind of hard, so the best way is to put an Allen wrench right here. So I'm about to take this way bar out, and go back and get a cheater bar or screwdriver to take this out. Maybe not right here. You see, all you need is just so right here I had a new one here. So this is the old one from factory. You can see has the Allen wrench right there. It's about to loosen out to tie it up. This one is aftermarket, so this one doesn't have the Allen wrench, but it should be easy to tie it up because it has the seal plastic right there that keeps from coming out. So I have two settings right here. So the short ones go on the front one, and the longer ones go on the back. You see? So those are the front ones, the small ones, and the longer ones are the one on the back. So could be this one. It doesn't matter which way it goes, left or right, they're the same. Okay, so the only matter that's that how you put it. You have to put it this way, like that. So like that. Okay. At this point, I'm done putting the saver link. This is the one right here, and as you can see, this one is all beat up already. See right there, just torn already. This one right here, the back. So it was about time to replace. So anytime you replace the struts or the shocks on the back or struts, whatever, you may want to replace this with like swivel link, so then your suspension can be all nice and tight. Okay. Strut number 2, passenger side, front. So I was painting earlier, like this little gap right here, right there, has to line up with the little group right here on the back. I don't know if my camera can catch it, but somewhere here, right there, this little group right there, it has to fit right here, so it kind of holds the strut in place. And you may want to do your sway bar link first, so they have more space and more to work around this, and then the strut at the end. So at this point, I'm gonna be pretty much done soon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and replace the rear ones too. Okay, rear struts for Honda Accord. This leverage, just pull it so that you can fold the seats right here. Just pull it like this way, and then you see this cover right here. Just from here, from the bottom, you can just tap, like push it, and it comes out. You can use a screwdriver here too, and then right there, the strut. There's 1, 2, 14 millimeters right there. There's one, and there is one for the 2. So just loosen them up, and then take them out, and then start working on the underneath from the car. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so driver side rear strut is going on. I already lined up the bolts right there on the top, and then as you can see right there, there is the bolt I already put in there. I just need to tie it up right there, and so in order to take out the strut, you need to take this out, this bolt right here, and then the one right here on the bottom, right here, right there. So 1, 2, and loose this up so you can have more play here. So right here, replacing the sway bar link already here, goes right there, right here. Before that, Don't forget this little bracket that goes first for the brake line. And I don't know if you see this little hole right there, sliding up right there, and then put your sway bar link right here, and then here on the bottom too. Just tie it up. Grab this ball right there, and on the top, and then just put back this one on the bottom right there, and this one too. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Strut is already in now. Make sure you tie the 2 bolts on the top, and then this kind of like put it just there. Don't tie it up. And then the tricky part is here is like you wanna line up these 2 bolts right here, this one right here first, and then I mean this one first, and then the second one, this one. So line them up and then tie them up, this one first, and then the second one right here, the last one right here. So make sure you tie everything up. There is the new sway bar link right here, you can see it, and the bracket for the brake line. So everything looks nice and good. So the one on the back, they're the same, even though it says right, and the other one says right too as well. So they're the same left and right, they're the same. The ones that only changes the front, the one in the front are right and left, but those on the back, they're the same, left and left, the same. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, and I might be able to help you out. Alright, thanks.